Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel WebToTech. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you guys on a step-by-step tutorial on how to turn off read receipts on your Instagram. In order to turn off read receipts on Instagram, you'll have to first click on your Instagram app to open it. Once you open your Instagram, you will see your home page. From there, you'll need to tap on the top right corner of your screen. That will direct you to the messages. Here you'll need to tap on the text that you want to turn off your receipts off. After you open the conversation, you'll need to tap on the profile of the other person. For that, you'll need to tap on the top where the username is written. After that, a page will open that gives you a variety of options. Now, to turn off your read receipts, you'll need to tap on Privacy and Safety that is right under the theme. From here, you can see a lot of privacy and safety options. As you can see, read receipts is turned on here. All you need to do is tap on the button besides read receipts that is blue. And just like that, you have successfully turned off your read receipt. Now, others cannot see when you have read their messages. Thank you for staying till the very end of this video. I hope this video was helpful for you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to leave us a like, share and subscribe. Thank you.